Alright, a quick little video to look at what a reflex arc is. You should understand already what sensory neurons are and motor neurons and what an effector is, something that actually is going to secrete hormones or actually a muscle that is going to do something. So what a reflex arc is, it's a reflex basically. It's a direction that's taken by information when a rapid unconscious response happens. So just because we don't want to use humans, here's a little picture. This is a free picture we found here. Pin in paw. Your poor little animal's paw has stepped on a little pin and it goes "Arr!" because it doesn't have to think, oh, I stepped in this thing. This will then cause damage to my cells, which will cause me to lose blood. Therefore, I should remove my paw immediately from this to inhibit further problems of happening. We don't have time to go through all this process here. So when you touch something really hot, you have a rapid unconscious reflex response, and you're kind of glad that this happens so that you don't have to spend all this time trying to actively process and figure out multiple sources of input, and some things can just get taken care of automatically for you. So it's important to note in a diagram like this, either labeling it or drawing it really quickly, what kind of neurons are involved. So obviously we have the stimulus, which is going to be the pin in the paw, and you have a sensory neuron, and this is connected to kind of the spinal cord. So we're looking at kind of a cross section of the spinal cord. You should note that there's going to be a relay neuron that's going to relay the information from the sensory neuron to a motor neuron, and the motor neuron in this case will be connected to a muscle, and it's going to send this kind of action potential to basically tell the muscle to contract, and then you pull the paw back. So same thing happens when you touch something hot, or if someone pokes you with the pin, or if you step on broken glass, or I don't know, if you're at the doctor and they use that little hammer thing and they tickle your knee bone, or when you hit your elbow and you call it the funny bone, but actually what you've done is you've hit a little nerve which causes this quick extension thing to happen. So that's basically what a reflex arc is. There's another small diagram there. You should know that autonomic and involuntary responses are also considered reflexes. So for example, breathing, pupil dilation, the gagging effect when you brush your teeth and you stick your toothbrush a little bit too far down and you go bleh, and you make that sound. That's a reflex arc as well too. Really strange thing, gagging, isn't it?